Hey everyone, I'm an amateur web developer and I just want to show you how I can make anyone say anything by editing the HTML on my computer. So that's why when you're seeing like a screenshot of a tweet or a post, I always try to find the link or at least a link in the Wayback Machine if the post is deleted, because you can't trust screenshots really, because literally I can make anyone say anything. Let me show you how that's done. So I saw this post about this tweet from our governor-elect here in Utah, and basically it sounds like he's a closet Democrat. So let's see how if I can make him say whatever I want. So I'm gonna go pull up one of his tweets, and you'll notice that Chrome has something called the inspect mode. So this is basically the browser tools. This is the code, the HTML that generates this page. So when you render a web page, I download a copy of this and it's on my computer, right? So if I open this up, you can see that this basically text is what is generating this text right here. So I can just do a little double click right here and I can make him say whatever I want. And just like that, it looks totally legit. Close the inspector pane, and now if you're scrolling, I can even show you a video. Oh wow, look at this. Spencer said this. Josh Dance is my favorite human ever. That's awesome. So I take a screenshot of this and I can post it anywhere. And it's often common to also take screenshots without like the date, because that actually makes it harder to track down whether this is actually like a real screenshot or not. So whenever I see a screenshot of a link, I always ask for the original source. That's just what I do. So thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a great day.